In this video today, I'm going to show you step by step on how to make money with affiliate marketing as a complete beginner with 0 followers, with 0 skills, and without any experience. This method is free, so make sure you keep on watching till the end so that I will show you everything that you need to know about this method. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. So now let's get into the details. As you can see, this is my own earning on this platform that I'm about to show you. So now what you have to do is that you have to create an account on this platform, clickbank.com. So once you create your accounts, you can begin promoting products on this platform. Once you create your accounts and log in, just come right here, click on marketplace so that you can find products to promote. Once you click on the marketplace, you're going to see a page like this. So what you have to do is that you have to scroll down and then come to the categories. So as you can see, these are many categories that you can select products to promote. So what we are going to be doing is that we are going to be promoting products under e-business and e-marketing category. So just click on it. Once you click on the e-business and e-marketing, you can see these are products that we can promote to earn money on ClickBank. You can see a whole lot of them. For example, you can see this product right here, get paid to use Facebook, Twitter and YouTube. If you promote it and get a sale, you are going to be earning $29.32 per every sale that you get. And you can see they have recurring bill right here. You can see $44.53. So apart from earning the main commission, you still have the chance to earn money with this same product if you get somebody to purchase it. So now what we are going to be doing is that we are going to promote this product. To promote it, what you have to do is that you have to come right here, click on affiliate page so that you can look at the resources that are available for you to use. Once you click on the affiliate page, you are going to see a page like this. So as you can see, these are different resources that you can use to promote the product. You can see they have email swipe, banners, Facebook ad images, Pinterest pins, PPC ads, SMS ads, short ads, videos, images, and many more. So there are a lot of different resources that you can use to promote the product to earn money on ClickBank. So now once we get to know the resources that we can use to promote the product, the next step is that we are going to start promoting it so that we can reach a lot of people to purchase it for us to make money. So now what we are going to be doing is that we are going to use Facebook so that we can drive a lot of traffic to our affiliate link. You are going to come right here, click on pages. Once you click on pages, you are going to see a page like this. Click on create new page. Once you click on create new page, you are going to see a page like this. So what you have to do is that you have to give a name to your page. You have to give a name right here that is related to the product that you are promoting. In this case, it's about make money online. So we are going to name our page earn money online. So just type that right here. As you can see right here, earn money online. That is the name of our page. The next step is that you are going to select the category of the page. Just select any of these categories. In this case, I'm just going to select advertising and marketing. So just select that. Once that is done, you are going to write a bio here. So what you have to do is that you have to come back on the product affiliate page. So once you're on the page, you are going to click right here, SMS ads. So just click on that. Once you click on it, you are going to see a page like this. As you can see, these are texts that you can use to promote the product. So just copy any of them that you like. For example, I'm just going to select this one right here. So just highlight and copy it. Once you copy it, you are going to paste it here as your bio message. So just leave it like this. As you can see, you have to delete some text. You can see that has been done. Once you paste your text, the next step is that you are going to click right here, create page, so that you can create your free page. Once you click on create page, you are going to see a page like this. So you have to enter your website here, your phone number, email address, location, and the rest. So if you don't have them, you can just click right here next so that you can continue. But in this case, we want to use it to promote a product. So we are going to paste our affiliate link here as our website. So just come back on ClickBank. Once you're on ClickBank, you're going to click right here, promote, so that you can get your affiliate link. Once you click on promote, you're going to see a page like this. Click on create hub link. Once you click on create hub link, you're going to see a page like this. This is your unique affiliate link. So anytime you get people to buy the product through this particular link, you are going to be earning a commission on ClickBank. Click right here, copy, so that you can copy your link. Once you copy it, you are going to use bit.ly to shorten your link. So just search for bit.ly.com. Once you search for bit.ly.com, you are going to see a page like this. Paste your affiliate link right here. Once you paste your affiliate link, click on shorten. As you can see, the link has been shortened. Click right here, copy, so that you can copy your affiliate link. Once you copy it, you are going to come back to your page and then paste it here as your website address. As you can see, that has been done. So if you want, you can enter the rest of the details. Once you enter the details, you are going to scroll down. Once you scroll down, just select this option right here, always open. So click on that. Once you select that, you are going to click on next. Once you click on next, you are going to see a page like this. So now what you have to do is that you have to add a profile image. Once that is done, you are also going to add a cover image. To get free images, you are going to come on this website pexels.com. This website allows you to download any image that you want for free. They are relatively free, so you can use them for anything that you want. So what you have to do is that you have to search for money. Since our page is about money, just search for money. Once you search for money, you are going to see a page like this. As you can see, there are many images that you can download and use as your profile picture. As you can see, a whole lot of them. So just download the ones that you like so that you can use them. Once you download the images, you are going to upload them. So just click right here, add profile pictures. Click on it so that you can upload the image. Once you click on it, you are going to select your image and then click on open. As you can see, your profile picture has been uploaded. The next one is the cover image. So just click right here, add cover photo so that you can add it. So once you click on it, select the photo and then click on open, and it's going to appear right here. As you can see, the cover image has been uploaded. So now what you are going to do is that you are going to click right here next. Once you click on next, you are going to see a page like this. If you want, you can just click right here, invite friends, so that you can invite your friends to like your page. If you don't want to do that, just come right here, click on next. Once you click on next, you're going to see a page like this. Just click on done. As you can see, we have created a very nice page. There is nothing on it. You can see we have 0 likes and 0 followers. So now what we are going to do is that we are going to add content to this particular page. To add content, you have to click right here, what is on your mind. Once you click on it, you are going to see a page like this. Just leave it as public because we want everyone on Facebook to see our message. So just leave it like this and then click on done. Once you click on done, you are going to paste your message right here. So what you have to do is that you have to go back to the affiliate support page so that you can get a message and then paste it right here. So once you come on the affiliate support page, you can see different text templates that you can use. So just read through and then select the message that you want. In this case, I'm just going to select this one right here. So just highlight it. Once you highlight it, you are going to copy it. So just copy it. Once you copy it, you are going to come back to your page and then paste it as your message right here. As you can see, that has been done. But you can see that there is a call to action right here. So we have to copy and paste our affiliate link right here. So just come back on Bitly and then copy your shortened link. So just come right here, click on copy. Once you copy, you're going to come back to your message and then paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. So anytime people read this particular post, they are going to click through this particular link and then get access to the product. So if they like it, they are going to purchase it for you to make money. So once you have your message, you are going to click right here, post. Once you click on post, you can see this is your message. Once you have your post, the next step is that you are going to get people to read this particular message so that they can click through and then purchase the product for you to make money. So you are going to come on this website, addmefast.com. This website allows you to get people to share your Facebook post for free without paying for anything. So what you have to do is that you have to just click right here, register, so that you can create your free accounts. Once you create your free accounts and log in, you are going to see a page like this. So what you have to do is that you have to get points before you can get people to share your Facebook post. To get points easily, you have to scroll down and then come right here, YouTube view. So you have to click on that so that you can view some few YouTube videos. Once you view them, you are going to be earning points. As you can see this video right here, if I'm able to view it for 30 seconds, I'm going to earn 4 points. So just click on view video so that you can watch the video to earn points. As you can see, whilst the video is playing, it is counting right here. You can see it has got to 30 seconds. So another video is going to pop up right here. Once you finish watching the video, you can see 4 points added to your balance. So 4 points has been added to my balance. So you have to watch some few videos so that you can earn points on this website. If you don't want to watch videos, you can just come right here, click on website history so that you can view websites to earn points. As you can see, there's a website right here. So if I'm able to review it for 30 seconds, I'm going to earn 4 points right here. As you can see, it is counting. You can see it is counting. As you can see, it has finished counting, and you can see my points has increased to 1,150. So now what you are going to do is that you have to keep on viewing this particular website or the videos so that you can earn points. You can see I have earned 1,150 points. So once you earn the points, the next step is that you are going to click right here, add. Once you click on it, you are going to see a page like this. You can see Facebook page likes / followers. So we don't need followers, we don't need likes. We want people to share our content so that our content can go viral for us to get a lot of people to click through our affiliate link. So just click on it so that you can select Facebook post share. You can see Facebook share, you can see Facebook post like, you can see Facebook post share. So you are going to select that. Once you select that, you are going to scroll down. You can see countries, so you are going to leave it as worldwide. Once that is done, you are going to paste the title of your page right here. So you can just type earn money online. So just type earn money online. Once that is done, you can see Facebook post URL. So you are going to go back to your page and then copy the link of your post. Once you come back on your post, what you have to do is that you have to click on these three dotted lines. So just click on it. Once you click on it, you are going to select pin post. Just click on that. Once you click on pin post and refresh your page, you are going to see your post right here. So it is now a featured post. So anytime people visit your page, they are going to see this message right here. This is going to be the first message that they are going to see. So now what you are going to do is that you are going to get the URL of this particular post so that you can use add me first to get a lot of people to share this particular post for you to earn money. So just right click. Once you right click, you are going to come right here, copy link, so that you can copy the link of the message. Once you copy your link, you are going to come back on add me first and then paste your link right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once you paste your link, the next step is that you are going to tell this website the number of clicks that you want. So just come right here, click on so that you can switch it on. You can see it is 1000 now. If you want 1000 click, you have to leave it like that. The next step is that you are also going to set the daily clicks. You can just leave it as 100. Once that is done, the next step is that you are also going to enter the cost per click. So how much are you going to pay per every share that you get? So the clicks here are referred to the Facebook shares that you are going to get. So how much are you going to pay per every share that you get? In this case, we are going to reduce it to 5 points. Once you enter 5 points, anytime people share your post, this website is going to deduct 5 points from your total points right here. So once you enter all the details, the next step is that you are going to click right here, save changes, so that you can get people to share your post. Once you click on save changes, you can see this is your campaign. You can see the number of clicks you want per day. You can see the total number of clicks. So once you get people to share it, you will be seeing the clicks right here. This campaign is live, so they are going to be sharing it to a lot of people so that you can get them to purchase the product for you to earn money on ClickBank. So make sure you go and take action so that you can earn money with this particular method. So that is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.